Hey guys, welcome back to AI Faceless YouTube Automation pre-course, and we have already done 2 videos. So if you are first time watching this video, so just visit my YouTube channel and go to playlist AI Faceless YouTube Automation full course, and it's completely free. So it's a step-by-step tutorials. So if you are a student and if you really make money online using AI video on YouTube and YouTube automation, so this video for you. So you don't have to spend any money. Just follow these steps and just start your new career in 2025. So I just completed 2 videos and already uploaded. Here you can see 2 weeks ago just uploaded the first video. So please just visit this YouTube playlist and just watch these tutorials. So first of all, just watch this first video, okay, so that you can understand our goal and target. And today I'm really excited. I'm going to show you the part 3. So if you were interested in this niche, if you want to really make money on YouTube, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that when I upload you can get notification and you can watch. So no more delay, so let's get started. Alright guys, the last video, that's been our second part. I already discussed about how you can select niche, how you can find your topic, and how you can research audience. Okay, so watch this tutorial definitely. And the third tutorials, that's mean today's video, I will show you how you can create a YouTube channel, most easiest to work, okay, and how you can design professional banner, how you can add logo, how you can create also, and it's completely free. Using Canva we can design banner and logo. Okay guys, so before starting, let's have a look in the last video. Okay, luxury lifestyle, that's mean our niche is luxury lifestyle. We want to create a YouTube channel all about like luxury lifestyle. It could be USA lifestyle or UK, whatever it is. Okay, so and why we are selecting this? Because it's a high CPM. So luxury brands and advertisers always target the high net worth and audience, and they spend a lot of money on advertising. That's why we are selecting luxury lifestyle. So I will create a Gmail account, and then I will verify the Gmail account, and then I will create a YouTube channel using that Gmail account, and then I will set up and I will show each and everything. So if you have zero knowledge, you don't know how to create a Gmail account, I know you know how to create, but if you don't know, so don't worry at all, because I want to make this course very easy and beginner friendly. Okay, so let's get started. Alright guys, so just visit Google sign in, and here you can see create an account. So click on create account, and you will see 3 options, like for my personal use, for my child, for work, or my business. Okay, so select on for my personal use. So create a Google account, enter your name. So enter your name, so I'm just writing my name over here. Alright, so click on next. Perfect. So select your date of birth and gender. Today, luxury lifestyle USA today. So next. So let's set a password over here. Perfect guys, so our Gmail account is ready. It's time to create a YouTube channel. So let's visit YouTube. Perfect, and you will find a fresh dashboard over here, and click on your logo, and here you can see create a channel. Okay, so this is our brand new Gmail account, and you don't see any account over here. So click on create a channel. Okay, so this is the name, so that would be our YouTube channel name, and that would be our handle. So we can change right now. So let's copy our Gmail account name, a luxury Gmail style. Okay, set a name. So I just writing here luxury lifestyle today, and handle is luxury lifestyle today. So you can change later. Okay, so it's time to create. So click on create channel. Alright guys, so this is a newborn YouTube channel, luxury lifestyle today. It's nothing here, it's completely empty. So you can customize channel, you can manage videos, and click on more. So that would be our YouTube description about, and this is our YouTube channel link, and join February 11 2025. Okay, so I will add description, I will add some links over here slowly and surely. First of all, it's time to create a logo over here. Here you can see. Okay, and I will show you how you can create a logo completely free using Canva, and then how you can create a banner. Okay, it's nothing here over here, and then I will create a description using ChatGPT. So using Canva we can create logo, banner, thumbnails. Okay, so how we can create thumbnail I will show you later in the next coming videos, but in this section we're just going to create a search logo, and you will find YouTube logo. So click on YouTube logo, and once you click, you will find a different pre-generated logo over here. So if you want to use this template, so click on customize this template, copy the YouTube channel name and just paste it here. Okay, so you can also regenerate if you don't like this logo. So that a pretty much step-by-step process you can make a good logo. Okay, it's would be really eye-catchy. So I'm just going to paste the title over here. It's too big, so don't worry, just click on here, you will reduce the sizes over here, font sizes. Perfect. So luxury lifestyle today. So that's our logo, and it's time to download the logo. Okay, so make sure the name is luxury lifestyle logo. So click on share, click on download, and make sure it's PNG. Perfect, and click on download. That's it. So it's time to upload our logo over here. So click on here. Okay, click on here, it will directly go to the YouTube studio, no problem. So this is the section where you can upload the logo. So click on upload, and it would be a PNG file definitely. So this is our logo. I think it's look really good. So click on done, and it will perfectly set up. Okay, luxury lifestyle today. Okay, so if you want to remove, you can remove immediately, and you can also regenerate if you don't like this picture or logo. Okay guys, and banner image. So it's time to create the banner image, and here you can see the banner sizes. So many of you just searching on Google and don't know what is the banner images. Okay, so we can create a very customized banner image so that it will be perfect for mobile, laptop, tab. Okay, and here you can see the name. So you can change the name in twice in 14 days. So in 14 days you can change twice, and this is the handle. Also you can change as it is 14 days, and description. Okay, so I will write the description later. Okay, first it's time to create the banner. Okay, so let's go back to Canva. Okay guys, so in this section I will show you how you can create a custom banner. So click on custom size and set up a width. So it must be let's have a look, that should be pixel. So click on create new design. Okay, and then we can customize. Alright guys, this is the banner. It's completely blank right now, so we have to design. Okay, so click on element logo. That's when you can match with your logo color. Okay, so let's search on neon. So I think it's perfect. Okay, so it's time to download. So let's click on here, download button, add same, and select a PNG and make sure the lifestyle. Okay, and click on download. Okay, so let's go back to our YouTube dashboard, and our banner is already downloaded. So click on upload and upload the banner over here. Okay guys, so very important, here you can see three options over here. It's a viewable on desktop, and it's a viewable on all devices, but here you can see it's not a responsible. That's mean you can see the L, it's over here. So make sure your text inside this circle. Okay, so that's perfect. So that would be perfect. So let's create again. I'm just going to resize this. Okay, so I think it would be fine. Okay, so let's download again. Alright guys, here you can see this is the perfectly set up. View on all device. So if you select on, so if you click on viewable on desktop, perfectly, and also you can viewable on TV. Okay, so let's click on done. Alright guys, so our banner is done, and also the logo picture is done, and it's time to create a description. Okay, so you can use ChatGPT, Gemini, or DeepSeek. So you can write as your own, write a YouTube about and the channel about luxury lifestyle. So here is a compelling YouTube about section. Welcome to your channel name, the luxury lifestyle experience. Okay, so let's copy from ChatGPT, and let's go back to our YouTube dashboard and paste the description over here. Alright, so this would be our YouTube channel about. Okay, so you can rewrite this. Also, if you don't like this, also you can add your business inquiries. Also you can add your social media link over here. Alright guys, perfectly we have created our YouTube channel with brand logo, brand banner, and this is the handle, and also this is the about section. Alright guys, so this is for today. It is our part 3, and very soon I will create part 4, and I will show you the step-by-step tutorial. So if you find this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification, and comment below if you have any queries. So see you in the next video. Have a good day.